Hello, everybody. Welcome to this week's episode of our IBKR podcast series. My name is Andrew Wilkinson, and I'm talking to Jerry Perez, CEO of Interactive Brokers UK in London. How are you, Jerry?
Good, Andrew. Thank you for the opportunity to speak to the crowd.
Well, you told me recently, Jerry, that the UK tax year is ending on April the 5th, I believe, and Interactive Brokers recently announced the addition of mutual funds for ISA accounts. And since I've been in the United States now for about 25 years, I'm a little bit behind about what ISAs are. Tell the audience, what is a stock and shares ISA?
So, a stocks and shares ISA is a UK tax wrapper account, one of many individual savings accounts available for UK residents over 18 years of age. In the case of the individual under the age of 18, there's a junior ISA, which IBKR also supports. But let me simplify the ISA purpose with a metaphor. Imagine you want to plant a seed in your backyard to grow a fruitful bearing tree, which signifies your investment portfolio for your retirement. However, your plant or your portfolio risks are the weather or things picking at it. So let's call these taxes before it gets to its useful retirement life. Now imagine the same plant wrapped up in this invisible cover, and let's call this a tax wrapper or an ISA. It shields it from the weather or other capital gains tax. When it comes to growing your plant or your portfolio, you can use different types of nutrients like stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and so on to add to the soil to make your portfolio or flower flourish. So there you go. That's what an ISA is. And to add to it, your annual ISA contributions, which could occur between a tax year, allows you to invest up to a specified limit, currently at 20,000 sterling. This limit applies primarily across all types of ISAs you own, with the exception of a junior ISA or such, which has a maximum contribution of 9,000 per annum. There's no fixed term for an ISA, meaning you can hold and manage your investments over a long term or sell them whenever needed. Things you need to consider, though: your capital is at risk. The value of your investments can go up or down. An ISA can be a powerful tool for growing your wealth while benefiting from tax relief.
That's pretty clear, Jerry. What makes Interactive Brokers ISAs stand out from others?
Well, IBKR is renowned for its innovative investment platforms, comprehensive global market access, education, and a competitive pricing model. We realize in speaking to our customers, they are on a journey leading up to retirement years. Along that journey, their investment needs and skills change, and our platforms are designed to enhance and enable our customers as they mature as investors. You can choose the best IBKR platform that matches your trading style and skill. We offer several platforms from our client portal, desktop, mobile app, and up to our global trader. By leveraging our tools, which include market scanners, analytical tools to process vast amounts of data with smart insights, and risk management, we aim to empower you with technology and automation to have success. We also offer an extensive catalog of educational content, including webinars, articles, videos, and tutorials for free, covering trading strategies and market insights. These resources empower the investors to grow their knowledge so they can better manage their investments. Our ISA stand out for our offering some of the lowest trading fees in the market, making it particularly attractive to those cost conscious investors looking to maximize their returns in the long run.
So, Jerry, what tools are available in the IBKR platform to help optimize an ISA user portfolio?
While there are many free to use tools that we offer, for instance, the Global Analyst, it allows you to scan the world for investment opportunities based on your inputs, which automatically will find stocks that meet your strategies of high or low value. This makes it easier to find which global stocks align to your needs. Our mutual funds search tool offers over 13 funds for your ISA. It's easy and free to use. Get real time data for any product that we offer. This includes buy, sell, market depth, and more, just like the professionals. Our Fundamentals Explorer makes it easy and comprehensive to find fundamental data about stocks so you can make informed decisions. For those technical analysts and market insiders, well, we offer something that is a premium for free. We allow you to have a charting package which analyzes technical patterns to make informed investment decisions. In addition, the user has an in depth market news feed and research to stay ahead of trends. We offer dividend reinvestments for US and Canadian shares, and many more tools can be found on our website.
Jerry, what marketplace access does Interactive Brokers offer ISA customers?
For us, brokers are defined by the quality, quantity, and the affordability of our offering. We cater to customers that want choice, so we offer thousands of worldwide markets across North America, Asia, and Europe. Customers can trade stocks, shares, ETFs, mutual funds, and more. At IBKR, we are open to a general investment account and ISA to offer our customers. A customer could choose to have either or both, so we make it easy to invest in both with a single sign on. By offering access to world markets, we aim to give you a greater ease to diversify your portfolio and probability of success.
And tell us about the fees and costs applicable for ISA customers, Jerry.
Our pricing strategy is important because it directly impacts the customer's return and our reputation of delivering exceptional value. For example, our simple investment and simple pricing means there's no cost to open an ISA, there are no minimum deposit required, there's no subscription or maintenance fees. There are no transfer fees. There are no custody or annual fees. For example, if you have a portfolio of any value, let's say 10,000 sterling, there are no annual custody fees to keep it with IBKR. This is a significant savings. We do ask a minimum brokerage fee of £3 per month for stocks and shares ISAs and £1 for a junior ISA. We ask for two types of commission structures to choose from. One is fixed, which means there's one fee per bargain, which includes brokerage, clearing, exchange fees all in. There's a tier schedule, which is an incremental sliding scale. The more you trade a month, the less you pay. You choose what's more economical for you. For example, a tier scheme, we ask for UK stocks 0.05% of the bargain. In a fixed fee schedule for US stocks, we ask a half a US cent per share, all in with a dollar minimum. There's an FX conversion rate of 0.03% for those that trade international shares. That is a low FX fee which IBKR charges, which is highly competitive. This low FX fee makes a real difference and distinguishes us from the competitors. But don't take my word for it. I ask you to compare us. And on the flip side, we pay competitive interest on uninvested cash in your ISA account.
And Jerry, how easy is it to open an account?
Well, relatively. Number one, go visit our website, interactivebrokers.co.uk, and click on Open an Account in the upper right hand corner of the homepage. You choose the account type, which in this case would be an ISA. You fill out the online application. We may ask you to upload relevant identification documents. Once your identity is verified and your ISA account is active, you fund your account. And once your account is funded, you're ready to invest. All of this takes less than a few minutes.
And what about the transfer process from an existing ISA if you want to bring those funds over to Interactive Brokers?
It's a very good question. Interactive Broker supports transfers in specie from other providers. So if we offer the product, there's no need to cash the position first. This is a huge savings to our customers.
And Jerry, what support does Interactive Brokers offer ISA investors?
So, for instance, a client portal to view, manage, and get support through digital tickets, a self-service knowledge base to call up frequently asked questions, information, and insights, AI-powered assistance in the form of iBots, 24 hours, 5 days a week customer support digitally or by phone, education and training videos, user guides, and other, a paper demo account to test our platform, multi-language support, easy to use search tools to find what you need, calculators to see the impact of costs and fees, a website which is easy to navigate and transparent, which includes all of our costs, fees, terms, and insights. We also include feedback loops to understand ways to improve. And last but not least, our IBKR Campus, which is rich with podcasts, insights, tutorials, and videos to better educate the user. Overall, internally, we build a culture where we aim to be responsive, flexible, and professional to all our customers.
Brilliant. Jerry Perez, CEO of Interactive Brokers UK. Thank you very much for joining me today.
Thank you, Andrew. And remember, at IBKR, you pay a small ISA price, but you get great value. So visit us at interactivebrokers.co.uk and open an ISA today.
Thanks, Jerry. And to the audience, don't forget, if you like today's podcast, you can subscribe to this channel wherever you download your podcasts from.
The analysis in this material is provided for information only and is not and should not be construed as an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to buy any security. To the extent that this material discusses general market activity, industry, or sector trends, or other broad-based economic or political conditions, it should not be construed as research or investment advice. To the extent that it includes references to specific securities, commodities, currencies, or other instruments, those references do not constitute a recommendation by IBKR to buy, sell, or hold such investments. This material does not and is not intended to take into account the particular financial conditions, investment objectives, or requirements of individual customers. Before acting on this material, you should consider whether it is suitable for your particular circumstances, and, as necessary, seek professional advice. Mutual funds are investments that pool the funds of investors to purchase a range of securities to meet specified objectives, such as growth, income, or both. Investors are reminded to consider the various objectives, fees, and other risks associated with investing in mutual funds. IBKR does not solicit you to invest in specific funds and does not recommend specific funds or any other products to you. For additional information, please view our mutual fund product listings. Any discussion or mention of an ETF is not to be construed as recommendation, promotion, or solicitation. All investors should review and consider associated investment risks, charges, and expenses of the investment company or fund prior to investing. Before acting on this material, you should consider whether it is suitable for your particular circumstances and, as necessary, seek professional advice. The information in this podcast does not constitute tax advice and cannot be used by the recipient or any other taxpayer to avoid penalties under any federal, state, local, or other tax statutes or regulations, or to resolve any tax issue. The projections or other information regarding the likelihood of various investment outcomes generated by the tool mentioned in this podcast are hypothetical in nature, do not reflect actual investment results, and are not guarantees of future results. It is important to understand that these projections are based on certain assumptions and models, and actual outcomes may differ significantly. Please note the results may vary over time. There is a substantial risk of loss in foreign exchange trading. The settlement date of foreign exchange trades can vary due to time zone differences and bank holidays. The interest rate on borrowed funds must be considered when computing the cost of trades across multiple markets,